guys, welcome to Per Property. I'm Pinky. Today I bring you to see one of the nice beachfront condominium on Jomtien. So the building is now under construction and will complete in 2 years, so probably end of 2023. The project named Ocean Horzion, and the project is quite big. It's around 26,000 square meters of the land. It's a very big project, have 8 buildings. And here I am around Bako area. So if you know the restaurant named Bako and Alexa Beach or Glass House, so here's like Jomtien Beach area. From Sukhumvit, probably only a few minutes. It's quite nice. To Jomtien and Pattaya, probably 10 to 15 minutes. So it's nice location if you like to have a holiday home near the beach and near many nights of the restaurant. This is one of good choice. So follow me inside to see the project detail. Project is pretty big. It includes 8 buildings and each building is 7 floors. Total of the whole project is 16 right of the land, which is around 26,000 square meters of the land. So it's so big. They are divided to be 3 parts of facility club. First one is on the front, on beach front, we call beach club. This one you will have water sport, like kite surfing, windsurfing, and we have cafe, we have a sky pool. So this is for water sport and then enjoy the beach. The second one is Horizon Club, which is here. This one you will have co-meeting space, so you can have like a meeting rooms in case if your friend or your colleague come, you can use co-working room, a co-meeting room, and they also have a co-kitchen room where you can also invite your friend to have like dinner together. So you can book a kitchen and you can use for like your private dinner. So this is a very nice option because you don't have to invite your friend to your unit. So they provide the space for this, so you can cooking there and you have a dining area for yourself, like your private. And they also have a laundry and they also have a game room. So if you love to play game, if you have a children, you can also enjoy here in Horizon Club. And the last one here, we call Ocean Club. This one you will have a fitness, steam sauna, onsen. Yeah, if you love to exercise, you probably will love this club. And also they will have the swimming pool around, inside whole around the building. So you have very big swimming pool. And you also have the kids playground zone. The parking will be around the building, so it's pretty much parking. Special feature that they have jogging and garden on all the building and it's connect together. This one is pretty nice because you can have around 1 kilometer around jogging, run, walking, or even cycling. You can bring your bicycle up and then cycling up there. It's very nice, or you can enjoy the view up there. You can have a garden on the roof. So this is all of facility in the building. It's many things, it's a lot, it's nice. So if you love to live near the beach and with the building where they have so many facility, probably this is the good option for you. So next I will show you the rooms where they have 78 square meter, 2 bed, 2 bath, and yeah, let's see how nice of the design. So follow me. So this is inside of the unit. Follow me and I will show you inside. This side is 78 square meter with 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. And the special part, as I explained before, that they have the private small pool. So we start from the kitchen. Next to me is the kitchen, which already built in with the unit. Actually, the unit you will get all the built-in furniture and fully furnished. So everything as I show you, just only no small decoration. The good part of this unit, you will have the ceiling height 3.8 meters. So it's pretty nice, same like a house. So the unit is look wide, and you always can get the nice light inside and wind. And as I told you, like this unit is only on the first floor, so just only 60 unit in whole building, so it's quite kind of spacious unit. We probably start from detail of the kitchen. In the kitchen will come with the built-in like this and include hob, hood, microwave, sink, and the countertop marble, granite marble, and this one is also come with the same designs. On the cabinet, the design is like a beach home. As you can see how design look like. Yeah, they build up onto the ceiling, so you can store quite many things inside the kitchen. It's not too big, but it's not too small for just a 2 bedroom. And on this side, they have refrigerator, which already have a box inside and have refrigerator in. This part, I love it, as you know, because you can store your shoes and all things here. And we move up to the living area. We have set up as a 4 dining table, 4 chair. So it's, yeah, probably it's good for the unit, or if you want, maybe you can have like a 2 more chair for other 6 people. Here is the living area, which is quite nice. I mean, the space is pretty big. You have like sofa, and you even have one more sofa behind me where you can sit, relax. And this way you face to the pool, which is your private pool. It's not too big, we will go out to see after. This size, they make as a window, so you can always get the light inside. This is good part of the unit, which has the high ceiling. You can put big, nice chandelier, and you can always get the light inside. So the unit is look not like a condo, it looks similar more like a small pool villa, I would say. And here have a big glass door for entrance out to the balcony. Here is the door access to the balcony. Yeah, the size pretty nice. You can set up here as the outdoor chair and table set, where you can use for the coffee table, relax area, or even like a small dining area if you would love. This is your private pool. The size is 2.5 meter wide and then around 3.5 meter long. Not too big, but have jacuzzi options, where you can jump in and refreshment and relax, has a wine. Here you have the door where you can exit out of the building and walk to the garden, or even can access to the beach. So let's say if you have this unit, you don't have to go inside the building, walk through corridor. I mean, you can just exit out of your unit, because this unit only in the first floor. It's very nice. Okay, I'll walk in again and bring you to see the bedroom. Before we pass to the bedroom, the built-in TV cabinet, also quite nice design. And then have a TV, which is already included. And the light here, they use a touch switch, quite nice too. Here is the corridor to go to the master bed on the front of me. This one is second bedroom. And this one is one more guest toilet, and also the shower room for this bedroom. So maybe I show you this bedroom first. The size is not too big. They have an option of the bed. I mean, you will have a bed like this where you can put it down to set up as a bed, or if you don't need, you can also push it up. And you can use the room for doing something else, like working, or if you not use, or another living area. The unit comes with built-in wardrobe, so you will have like the space for your clothes also upstairs. And this unit you can also access to the balcony and then your pool, so it's pretty nice. Inside the bedroom they use the floor as a wood and outside is a marble. I show you the guest toilet and the shower room. Inside this side as floor marbles, and they use wallpaper which is quite nice texture. I would say it's a little bit cream color. And the shower, the rain shower is pretty nice. Just have a gold design, and so it looks similar like a beach home style. And the sink here. So now I move to master bedroom. The size is not too big, but it's good size. The bed set up as king bed, and the ceiling is pretty nice because it looks really grand. Because you have the ceiling very high, the chandelier looks so nice. And the good part is you always can see your pool, your jacuzzi, so you always feel nice in the morning when you wake up and see the water. And of course they will close this area with the garden, with the plants, so nobody can see inside of your unit. And yeah, TV already set up. This one is the master bathroom. You has a slide door, which is quite nice. Here's wardrobe. They have a door and separate for the shower room and the toilet. The door with the glass and aluminum frame with the pink gold color. Nice. And this one is super nice with the sinks. Okay, sink is not too big, but they have like a touch screen for the light. Lovely. Downstairs you can store some of your things. This room is 78 square meter, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and it's just only first floor, so it's kind of special type of room. Only 60 unit on whole project. So if you like this kind of unit, it's nice. The price of 15 million baht for this room, and yeah, come with the pool, jacuzzi, all fully furnished, so you don't have to design anything else. So I hope you guys like this episode, and then if you like, please like for us and then subscribe for us, and then we'll always show you a nice property every week. So see you in the next episode. Bye.